Okay, students, to submit an assignment, we need to first locate the assignment. So I'm going to click on Schedule, then choose the week that your assignment's located. And I'm going to choose the assignment that I want to submit. For instance, I'm going to click on Sketchbook, then I will click the Submit Assignment tab. Down here, I can choose a file. And if I want to add a second file, I click Add Another File, and now I can submit 2 pictures or 2 files. When I click Choose File, it's going to bring you to your downloads. You can choose Recent, which is going to show you your recent images or downloads here. Or you can click Images and find an image that you might have taken a long time ago that you need to submit. Then select the file you want to upload. Hit Open, and it'll attach your file right there. And then choose Submit Assignment to submit your file for grading. And if you need to reassess, you can click the Resubmit button to submit a new copy of your assignment, but only use that if you're reassessing. And students, that's how you submit assignments in Canvas.